So you're wondering what's the best programming language with no experience, guys. You can go at this a lot of different ways, and I can go over a lot of different programming language. I'm just gonna go over 3 points in the languages that's gonna allow you guys to really put yourself in a position to win and get you guys going there. So number one, just to get started, I'm gonna call these the introductory languages. You got Python, JavaScript, PHP. Put those in the introductory. Not that they're limited, that they can't do a lot, but the learning curve is gonna put you in the game, put you learning those arrays and all that good stuff. Number two, guys, enterprise level languages. These are the languages that when you're sitting down and you're going through your resume or a job site, you're gonna actually see Java, you're gonna see C#, C, C++, SQL. All of this is going to be important because you're going to actually see a lot of this doing the job boards and stuff like that. Not that you're not going to see Python and JavaScript and all that, because you are. It's just that once you get into those enterprise level, those big corporate companies,